So, if you may know, this channel is quite about motorsports, mainly on four wheels. However, yesterday I got a game. It was 60 quid, it was reduced to 17, so I bought said game, and so far I really like the game. It is MotoGP 25, and today we are here to do some MotoGP. So yeah, we're here. We're going to be at Balaton Park here. Hopefully we'll have a decent fun race here. So we're doing the Hungarian one. So yeah, it's a very fun game. I did record a version of this video yesterday. However, it wasn't very good. So we're doing it again. So I'm a bit more experienced and know what I'm doing compared to not yesterday's one. But yeah, let's get on with it. And here we are on MotoGP 25 here today. We're here, we may be doing some of that if you enjoy this one. So yeah, make sure, comment below if you do enjoy this one. We may actually do a series on this, but we're going to head to a quick Grand Prix race here in the Moto 3 cars. Let's do 10 laps. Starting position? 18th, sure, that'll do. Yeah, so we're here, Balaton Park, Grand Prix Hungary. We are Eddie O'Shea here today. We're going to, decide to be him, because why not, why wouldn't you? Here he's British, so that's the main thing here today. And yeah, we're here, 50% race here in the Moto3 car, Grand Prix Hungary. Bike here. I don't know anyone else. I don't know anyone else, so that's kind of something. And I don't really know anything else that's really going on here. I quite like this, all the things. We got a Red Bull guy in the pole. But yeah, we're here, anyway, here, ready to get underway here today. I've just realised it's a bit out of frame. I'll go mend that before the race. But yeah, we're here, ready to go in the Moto3 car. And let's get down to the start here for our MotoGP race. And we're ready now here at Balaton Park. I like how this starts. This does the start here. There's the pole man, the 99 guy. Ready to go, these Moto3 machines. Revs build, and we are away here in the GP of Hungary. It's not the greatest of starts here today for us. Oh no! Good start, great start. We're last. 26th. Here, bit of a overcook into T1. Bit of oversteer there, it almost seemed. Just neither the gravel we went there. Keep it lent in. As we now head down this back straight now. Down towards a heavy braking zone. We've overcooked it again. We've madly overcooked it. When it sets to brake in this game, you usually need to brake a bit before. When you get offline as well, it's a bit hard to get back online as we come down towards the end of the first chicane here. These chicanes I can't get right, really. It takes too long for me to get the weight across. Actually turn into the second bit, usually go way wide, and that's a bit of grass. As we head out down towards another chicane here at Balaton. Seems quite a good track for touring cars, I must say. I have a track cut there, but we've got him lenient as I learn the game. Catch up to the guy at the back here, 25th even. He's actually my teammate, so wonder if that suggests that my team isn't very good. I mean, I don't know anything about MotoGP, Moto2, Moto3. As we come across the line here, in the lap one. Decent start there. Now, oh, we've killed someone. Oh, sorry, run away. And down the back straight, side by side with an eye here. Moo. Don't know what his actual name is. His abbreviated name is Moo. That's quite funny. Ah! Sorry for not much speaking from my part. Been very concentrated not falling off this bike. Seems a bit more unstable than some of the other Moto 2 bikes I've driven. It's mainly Moto 2 I've been driving, so... Oh, bit of a warning there for track limits. Understandable. I did cut them. And again. But like... I'm sure it's fine. Okay, never mind. We get warnings. Oh no! And we're off. I could tell where that was going. I was falling off the bike there. Either way we were going, we were falling off, and we happened to collect someone with us. It's not been very clean so far, has it? I've been passed by a man. Oh no. I think we got him back though. Yeah, we got him back. That's good. Break into T1. Alright, break yourselves. Alright, break. Ah! We kept the position though. What? Get out early. Go on then. Oh, I outright myself. Outright myself. Uh-oh. We haven't. How we didn't crash there was something beyond my imagination. We basically got it exactly where we wanted it. We didn't want it quite. We wanted to be a bit more conservative than that as we go to the gravel. We wanted to be maybe a bit braking earlier. I thought I was going to go into the back of a guy, but wasn't too bad. Warning for the guy ahead of me. Because we need to cut across the guy behind me. Oh no! Slipstream. Vicious battle. Got by him though. It's only like 3. Crikey. It's This is only a half distance race as well around Balaton. Irregular overtake for Old. I think it's behind me. Yep. New personal best lap, I think that was. Yellow flag. Oh. Saw a guy went off there. Still not got the fast lap. 2 seconds off the fast lap, so we're quite a bit off compared to what some others have done. Well, we seem to be gaining up on the people around us. Bit offline there, that wasn't very good. Like how it does say penalties for other people. Okay, you've got a bit on the aggressive side there with the traction control spinning out there. Guy behind's getting a ton of warnings. Was that my warning count? 2 out of 5 there. Right. I think that's what that means. I think that's what that means. I don't know. I thought it was originally my connection, but it's a single player mode, so like... What? Sliding out the back end there. So far, I've found this game lovely fun. It's good to get someone that isn't cars all the time, and it gives some variation to things that I do instead of just Project Motor Racing and Assetto Cross Competizione. We're gaining on this guy, I think, as well. Oh, yeah, feisty battle. Originally, that's quite a good chicane there, I think. Behind's got a warning again. Long lap penalty. What does that mean? What's the long lap? Oh, the long lap's at the hairpin. About oh no. Come to a stop. Didn't get a warning for that somehow. I guess we kind of relinquished where we were. Turn our traction control up a bit. Halfway through. We're currently sitting 16th. Oh, got under him. Got under him. Battle. Yep. Good. Run. We got the guy. Fab and breakdown. In towards... this section again, and our warning. 3 out of 5 for us, I believe. Before we need to take the long lap. Which I believe is up here. Yeah. We strip a tarmac, you need to go in for the long lap. Right with him. Just need to get by him. That's the only thing. Round that chicane well there. Getting roughly in the range of having a scrap, and we, albeit bumped into the back of him there, we got by him. Take that by any metric, he's behind us there. It's lap 7 of 10 here in Balaton Park. We do have the fastest lap of the race. That was actually that lap, actually. That was the fastest lap of the race. Good to know we are the fastest man on track. Don't think we're going to be able to do anything with it, like, but... Thanks! I really needed that notification just now. We've actually gone so far half a second quicker than our previous lap. I think I wouldn't say all that great a lap. I think we took this section really well compared to times before. So over a second quicker. We're properly learning this. Two lap 8 we shall go to now. Here in Balaton. That lap is 1 second quicker than our best lap now. Someone's crashed behind. Fastest lap there, 1:47. I don't know how good that is by MotoGP or by motorbike metrics. Maybe threw one around the outside there and it worked, but no quite. Oh, bumping. I've got by him though, for now. At least he's going to go up the inside of me here. No, but we managed. We have got by him. I think he's quite a bit behind now. Yep. He's at a comfortable distance back. Sure, that was a warning there. Come on. What? I'm amazed how that wasn't track limits. Come on then, for ultimate lap. I think there's a bit of scrapping at the front of the field. Double overtake, somehow. I'm amazed how that has worked out, how it has, and we somehow claw through some more. To length we shall go. And the leader is actually at the front of this pack here. So we could be doing a madness if we needed. There's a few positions there. I had to break a tiny bit there. Oh, a bit out wide there. I'm sick just now of this big pack here. We've found pace and we've been able to use it, and we've been able to start doing things, and someone's gone a bit wide there. Oh, that was close between them two. Oh, he's off! I've killed him. To fifth, sort of. They're very close behind. Final lap here in Balaton Park. I found that a very, very fun circuit so far. We're in fifth, we could maybe be doing things here though. First is not far ahead at all. And there's fourth. So far I think gone maybe, yep, gone. There goes fourth, and now we chase, and now we chase. I'm not sure it's going to be enough for a win, but podium on the cards. Another warning, we're getting close to the long lap now. They can't really punish us if we do get another penalty after the long lap, but it's going to be a bit of an issue. Could be just time penalty then, but Can we get this podium? Come on. Oh, I wouldn't have got the inside there. It wasn't work. Oh no! Oh, I was too greedy in the throttle. Oh, and we end up 10th. Oh, that's a shame. Oh. Ah! We end up more than 10th. Oh, that's how it's going to go for me, I think, these races. We nearly did a madness there and made it to 2nd and 3rd, but it's not going to be 2nd or 3rd. It's going to be 13th, I think. Just got too greedy in the throttle a couple times there. Well, it was a good race nonetheless. We end up 13th. It was a decent race. It was a decent race.
As the riders return to the pits, let's take a look at the final results of this Moto3 race.
13 for us. Fastest lap though, by quite some way, I think. 9 tenths is 8 tenths. 4 tenths. Okay. Yeah, fastest lap by a bit. That is good. I quite like that. That was a very, very good race there. 2 not classifieds there. But cool. That's will be that there at Balaton Park. And well, what a race that was, isn't it? That was very fun. I enjoyed that a lot there. I do hope you enjoy that one there here on MotoGP 25. Do hope, well, if you liked that, put it down in the comments. If you didn't like it, put it down in the comments. Just put what you thought of that down in the comments. Bit of a different thing there, but overall I find a very, very fun thing there today. So that is MotoGP 25. Yeah, there'll probably be another video or two on it. If you like it, there'll be much more. But yeah, like, subscribe if you enjoyed this one. That would be greatly appreciated. If you want to see more MotoGP, ACC, eSports WRC, and all that content, Project Motor Racing as well. And yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this one. But until next time, goodbye.